Welcome to our channel. If you want to leave a WhatsApp group without alerting other members, follow these step-by-step instructions for a discreet exit. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your device and navigate to the group chat you want to leave without sending a notification. Step 2. Tap on the group name at the top of the chat to open the group information page where you can view members and settings. Step 3. Scroll down to find the Mute Notifications option and enable it for the maximum duration available, typically 1 year or indefinitely. Step 4. Turn off your mobile data and Wi-Fi to disconnect your device from the internet completely before proceeding with the exit. Step 5. While offline, scroll down on the group info page and tap Exit Group to remove yourself from the conversation. Step 6. Confirm your decision to exit the group when prompted. Since you're offline, the exit notification won't be sent immediately to other members. Step 7. Keep your device offline for approximately 24 to 48 hours. During this time, your exit notification may expire or be buried under newer messages. Step 8. After the waiting period, reconnect to the internet. The notification of your exit may not appear prominently, or it may be hidden among other group activities. Check the group from another account to verify the notification visibility. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.